Presenting the Wi-Fi camera, a state-of-the-art gadget that puts connectivity and monitoring right at your fingertips. This isn't just any camera though. It's a multi-purpose, intelligent friend that helps you stay in touch with your surroundings, be it your home, workplace, or any other location you wish to keep an eye on. Bid farewell to blind spots and welcome the Wi-Fi camera into your life, as monitoring should be as simple as establishing an internet connection. This Wi-Fi camera isn't just a surveillance tool, it's a guardian for your peace of mind. With its wireless connectivity, you can access live footage remotely, ensuring that you're always in the loop about what's happening in your space. Whether you're checking in on your home while at work or monitoring your office after hours, the Wi-Fi camera is here to provide real-time security and reassurance. It's not just a camera, it's a smart security solution. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any camera, it's a convenience champion. Its Wi-Fi connectivity means no more dealing with tangled wires or complicated setups. The Wi-Fi camera is easy to install and user-friendly, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of a smart surveillance system without the headache of installation. It's like having your personal security assistant, hassle-free, efficient, and always ready when you need it. And versatility, unmatched. Whether you're looking for a camera for indoor monitoring, outdoor security, or even a baby monitor, the Wi-Fi camera adapts to your needs with various features like motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio. It's not just a camera, it's a multifunctional surveillance powerhouse that enhances your sense of security. But wait, there's more. This camera isn't just about practicality, it's about innovation. With features like cloud storage, mobile app integration, and compatibility with virtual assistants, the Wi-Fi camera elevates your surveillance experience into the realm of smart technology. It's not just a camera, it's a glimpse into the future of home and office security. Picture this, you accessing live footage from your Wi-Fi camera through your smartphone, ensuring that your space is secure and giving you the peace of mind you deserve. It's not just about surveillance, it's about turning your environment into a smart and connected space. Your security measures are not just precautions, they're a well-equipped defense system with a Wi-Fi camera. Like and share.